This channel got 11 millions views, 3.2 millions views, 960k, 530k, etc. etc. Lots of millions of views every video. And this person got 89k, 38k, and 29k. Lots of views. This is actually copy paste work. Just drag and drop, and you can earn at least 1 to 5,000 of dollar per month doing this work without copyright, without showing your face. Just drag and drop. And this channel take in pros, and you can see 82 millions views, 49 millions views, 22 millions views, and etc. etc. Lots of millions views. This person actually copy etc. interview clip, then editing, then publish their YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create those type of short video. Then you can make at least 1 to 5,000 of a dollar per month easily using AI. So at first, I'm going to google.com, then charge YouTube. Then this is the YouTube interface. Then charge. You can choose any niche and etc. Example of I choose Elon Musk because he is famous already in the world, famous person in the world. And you can choose any others. Just copy this link, just share button, and copy this link. Then I'm going to short.ai, then paste my copy link, then generate short. Just click here for generate short. Then wait a few seconds because this website processing under processing now. Then you can choose your best clip. And here is a full video clip. Then if I choose this one, then edit and export. Just click here. Then you can see this is your video clip that you can choose. This is a portrait mode. Then it is square, Instagram for Instagram and Facebook. This is YouTube. Then I choose this one, YouTube Shorts and TikTok Reels. Then auto crop for minimum page. This is a default. Then normal. Then if you want to subtitle, just click here. This is preview. Sorry. Then play.
One reason I've always loved SNL is because it's genuinely live. A lot of people don't realize that. We're actually live right now, which means I could say something truly shocking.
It's white and black, and subtitle large and bottom center.
SNL is also a great way to learn something new about the host.
For
example, this is my son's name. It's pronounced.
Then you can see this is really
One
good.
reason I've always loved SNL is because it's genuinely live.
Consistently, I guarantee you,
we're actually live right now, which means I could say something truly shocking.
Like
I drive it, please.
millions of $1,000 of dollars.